How to know your Google account password if you ever forgot. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Google. Now wait for some time. Now tap on all services. Again scroll down. Now tap on autofill with Google. Now tap on Google Password Manager. Now scroll down. Now find google.com. If you have ever saved your password, you can find a saved password here. Simply tap on it, enter your phone password, and you can get your password. If you didn't save your password, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now tap on Google account. Now scroll right and tap on security. Again scroll down. Now tap on password. Now wait for some time. Now tap on try another way. Now click on try another way. Now tap on continue and enter your phone screen password. Now wait for some time. Now create a new password and tap on change password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.